Okay, real quick, just gonna help you out with some of this assignment. This is GPS 1. So the GPS uno, okay. It says which of the following numbers are rational numbers, but not integers, okay. So remember, integers are the negative and positive numbers. For example, integers are also all the counting numbers, like the ones you started when you were a little kid, counting or natural numbers. When you were a little kid, you started with 1, 2, 3. Well, those are integers. Also, the whole numbers. Whole numbers are the counting numbers plus the digit of 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and then this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they're also all the negatives. Okay? For example, all these, all those, but also the negatives were like -1, -2, -3. But they're not fractions. Integers are not fractions. So there cannot be fractions, decimals, percents. They cannot be that. Okay? So think about it. If integers are only these, it's asking you which of the following numbers are rational numbers but not integers. Well, rational, the word rational means it has the word ratio. Well, the ratio is a fraction. That means that rational numbers are all these. They're counting, they're whole numbers, they're negatives, or they're integers. So counting, whole numbers, and integers, plus the fraction, decimal, percents, and the perfect squares. Those are rational numbers. So they're asking you which of these are not integers. They're all rational numbers, but which are not, which are rational numbers but not integers. Remember, integers they don't, in their family of numbers, they don't have decimals, fractions, and percents. Okay, please remember that. And remember, some fractions can be converted to whole numbers if they go in evenly. 25 divided by 5 is a fraction, but can you make it a whole number? Think about that. Okay. Jacob needs 78 inches of barbed wire to finish a fence. Barbed wire is sold in increments. What does it mean, increments? That means in I don't know what's another word for increments, like in certain package per certain weights, certain lengths. They don't sell it in maybe in like let's keep going and we'll find out here. Increments of whole feet. So you see what I meant to say, like they don't sell it in half a foot, 3/4 of a foot. They sell it in increments of whole feet. So in just sections of whole feet, they don't give you anything else except whole feet. So how many feet does he need to buy to complete the fence? Well, how much does he need to buy to? The store does not offer it in fractions of feet. They own increments of whole feet. Well, if you need 78 inches, and there's 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Well, then think about that. Well, then if you have 78 inches that you need, how many feet do you need? Okay. Well, how many feet? 1 foot is 12 inches. You need 78 inches. Think about that. And remember how much you need to buy. And if you're in a half, you need maybe 5.5. Well, don't forget, you cannot buy 5.5. If you buy 5, you don't have enough. You need 5.5. So think about how much you need to buy. Number 3, Mandy must read 275 pages in 12 days. If she reads 22 pages each day, will she finish the book within 12 days? Okay, so if she reads 22 pages a day, that means if she reads 22 per 1 day, well, that means in 3 days, she'll read how much? Well, 1 is 22. Well, 1 times 3 is 3, so then 22 times 3 would be what 66 pages. Okay, so how many You gotta find out if she'll be able to finish her book. She needs to get to 275 pages in 12 days. Was she able to make her mark? Every day, todos los días, cada día. Okay? Va a leer 22 hojas por día. Okay? Okay? Quiere leer esto en 12 días. Okay? Will she get to her mark? Okay? Quiere leer esto en un libro que tiene total de páginas en 12 días. Va a leer 22 hojas por día. ¿Tú crees que va a llegar a su límite de 12 días para leer el libro entero? El libro entero. Okay? Please try to figure that out. 1 day, 22. You want 12 days? Well, let's see if she finishes her book. If she does, will she finish? Put yes, no. Explain. Yes, she will. She will exactly get to 270 pages. No, she won't. She'll need, so much more. You gotta tell me. Okay. Number 5 there. Here we've done this before. Use the butterfly strategy. Remember this guy? Okay. You multiply those. Okay. So you multiply those 5 times 3. You put it here, and then 6 times 2. You put it here, and you're adding them together. So 5 times 3, 6 times 2, and then 6 times 3 goes here. 15 plus 12 is 27. And now this is your answer. You just gotta simplify it. Make it smaller. Okay. Here, the same thing you did over here. Same thing, except now your operation is subtraction. Okay. Same thing, the butterfly. Okay. 5 times 3, you already know. 6 times 2, you already know. You're subtracting, and then put it over 6 times 3, and then 75 we need to. Okay, and you'll get it. Okay, number 4 there. Tickets are on sale for music concert. Each ticket sells for $82.50. Write an equation to determine T, the total cost of N. Okay, so a while back you learned this, MX plus B. Okay, number B was the y-intercept, M is the slope. Okay, this M, the slope, had the word start. I'm sorry, not start. Almost messed up. Had the word each, every, and per. And this has the word start, begin, or the word fee. Okay, and so they're having a concert. The tickets are on sale for, look what it says there, each. Each ticket sells for $82.50. Okay. So then instead of Y is your total. They're not using Y. They're using actually T, total cost. So then T equals, well, each, look at the word each, $82.50. Well, slope has the word each, every, per. So think about that. And N is the number of tickets. Well, this is like the N. So what number am I going to put here in the front? And that'll give you an, okay? Hopefully this helps. Arrivederci.